Good morning to one. Today we will see about the topic is depth analysis of the gear. So this is the spur gear. So in this experiment we have to measure the inner depth of the gear by using micrometer or digital micrometer. Okay. So this is the one of the measurement in linear categories. Linear categories. What is linear measurement? Linear measurement means to measure the length, width, thickness and diameters and also inner depth. So this categories is the linear categories. So the first linear measuring instruments already last month I saw the vernier caliper and micrometers. So this is the basics of the measuring instruments for linear categories. For example, I select this job. So this job length and also this is a diameter and so this is the height of the job. So the totally parameters will be easily measured by the linear measuring instruments. Okay, but in this analysis, to have to measure the gear in the depth of the gear. First, what is the gear? Gear is the one of the measuring element and also transmitting element, power transmitting element. So for like this is the one gear and I take the another one gear. So this one teeth and another one gear teeth is directly touched with. So it is a clockwise direction means that second gear is the anti-clockwise direction. So anyway the power will be transmitted from one area to another area or one surface to another surface. So this is a simple category of the use of the gears. Okay. In this measuring instruments mainly we have to measure the depth of the gears. But gear teeth thickness is totally different. So the gear teeth thickness is measured by the gear tooth vernier caliper. In upcoming videos, you have to deeply see how to measure the teeth of the thickness. So this is the micrometer, digital micrometer, and also this is the head scale, and also this is the pitch scale. This is the head scale, and this is the pitch scale. Pitch scale will be is the rotating scale. Head scale is equal to main scale. In vernier caliper, two scale is there. One is the main scale and also vernier scale. Vernier scale is moved from left to right or right to left. So that's the vernier caliper. But in this micrometer, the pitch scale will be rotated. It's a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. But the main scale is otherwise called as the head scale. Already I told one advantage. Compared to the vernier caliper, micrometer is one disadvantage. You measure the 0.5 mm value. So the 0.5 mm value is very important. For example, in vernier caliper, 0 mm, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm. This is the measured value. But in this micrometer, we have to see the 0 mm and also above period the 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm. So this is the different categories, measuring categories. You like this measuring categories. Okay. So this is a simple method for the measure the inner depth of the gear. So just I select my job and also I insert this. Just I logged, okay, and also this is the locking sound. So the locking sound is very important. So the my value is the inner depth value is the 6.5 mm because the pitch scale is directly touched with the 6 not 6 mm, 6.5 mm. So the 6.5 mm is the inner depth of the gear. So this is a simple method for to measure the inner depth and also height of the object. So this is one of the easiest method for to measure the linear parameters. Already I told the linear parameters. What about the linear parameters? That is what is linear parameters? That is the length, width, thickness, diameters, and also inner height and also inner depth. So this parameters is the easily to measure by linear measuring instruments. So this micrometer is also one of the categories in linear measuring instruments, and also ordinary micrometers there, thread micrometers there, outside micrometer, inside micrometer. So the lot of micrometers is involved in the micrometers categories. Okay, but this is a transmission element. So in this video you have to measure the transmitting element, like I select the gear inner depth by using the micrometers. Okay, so this is one of the simplest method. In upcoming videos, you have to see the slip gauges. Slip gauge is very important for the calibrations. So in upcoming videos, deeply we see what is the calibrations and also what is the tolerance and also how to measure the how to and check the measure the or check the product values.